Here we have a 2004 Bystronics CNC press brake. This is an 8-axis press brake. Recently redid the control on this and upgraded to an ESA 2023. This has the wheel upper clamping. We redid the upper clamping with and redid all of the membranes on the inside. Servo drives, motors were replaced in the back cage. And then we have the spec page right here. We're going to be offering free shipping on this to the lower 48 for the month of August if you mention this ad or this video on YouTube. Mention the video and you get free shipping. Again, this is SansonMachinery.com.